It is. It's software's biggest day of the year every year, and I mean, our whole team is always working toward this moment every year. So it's awesome when we can finally get in front of everyone and tell them what we've been up to.
Apple's unveiling of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro marked a significant advancement in smartphone technology. These models introduce cutting-edge features, including Apple Intelligence integration, powerful A18 series chips, innovative camera controls, high-quality video capabilities, and enhanced battery life. A standout feature in both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro is the integration of Apple Intelligence, Apple's advanced artificial intelligence system. This AI enhances user experience by assisting with writing, creative tasks, and seamless navigation. By processing data directly on the device, Apple Intelligence ensures user privacy while offering real-time assistance. This integration signifies a shift towards more intuitive and intelligent smartphones, enabling users to interact more naturally with their devices. The iPhone 16 is also equipped with the A18 chip, while the iPhone 16 Pro features the more powerful A18 Pro chip. Both chips are built using a 3-nanometer process, offering significant performance improvements over previous generations. The A18 Pro chip, in particular, boasts a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, enhancing machine learning capabilities and all-round device performance. This translates to smoother gaming experiences, faster app performance, and efficient multitasking, catering to both casual users and professionals. At the same time, Apple introduced a new camera control feature in both models, providing an intuitive way to access and adjust camera settings. A dedicated button on the device allows users to quickly open the camera app, switch between different controls, and capture photos or videos. This feature simplifies the photography process, making it more accessible for users to take advantage of the advanced camera capabilities of the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro stands out with its ability to record 4K video at 120 frames per second in Dolby Vision. This high-resolution, high-frame rate recording is ideal for filmmakers and content creators, offering exceptional video quality and flexibility in post-production. The standard iPhone 16 also supports impressive video recording capabilities, though at slightly lower specifications, ensuring that all users can capture high-quality videos. In terms of their battery life, both models offer significant improvements in battery life compared to their predecessors. The energy-efficient design of the A18 and A18 Pro chips, combined with optimized software, allows users to enjoy longer usage between charges. This enhancement addresses a common user concern, ensuring that the devices can support extended periods of use without compromising performance. The iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch OLED display, while the iPhone 16 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.3-inch display. Both models maintain the edge-to-edge design with thinner bezels, providing a more immersive viewing experience. The Pro model's display includes ProMotion technology, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and responsiveness. The devices are available in various finishes, with the Pro model offering premium options like white titanium, desert titanium, natural titanium, and black titanium. Then looking at their connectivity, both models support Wi-Fi 1, providing faster wireless connectivity and improved performance in crowded networks. They also include enhanced health tracking features, especially when paired with the Apple Watch Series 2, offering users comprehensive health and fitness monitoring. Additionally, the devices come with improved water and dust resistance, making them more durable for everyday use. Pre-orders for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro began on September 9, 2024, with official sales starting on September 9, 2024. The iPhone 16 starts at $1,399, while the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $1,999. Pricing varies based on storage configurations, with options ranging from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. These models are available through Apple's official channels and authorized retailers worldwide. Unveiling the latest Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. Apple's recent Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 marks a significant advancement in wearable technology, catering to a diverse range of users from everyday consumers to extreme sports enthusiasts. These models introduce innovative features such as sleep apnea notifications, depth and water temperature tracking, faster charging, a new black titanium case, and enhanced GPS accuracy. The Apple Watch Series 10 stands out as Apple's thinnest smartwatch to date, boasting the largest display ever incorporated into their wearable lineup. This design evolution not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also improves user interaction and readability. One of the most notable health-focused features of the Series 10 is the introduction of sleep apnea notifications. Utilizing advanced sensors, the watch monitors the user's breathing patterns during sleep and alerts them to irregularities that may indicate sleep apnea. This proactive approach allows users to seek medical advice promptly, potentially mitigating health risks associated with untreated sleep disorders. For aquatic enthusiasts, the Series 10 offers depth and water temperature tracking, providing real-time data during swimming or diving activities. This feature enhances the watch's utility for swimmers and divers, offering insights that were previously accessible only through specialized equipment. Addressing a common concern among smartwatch users, Apple has improved the charging speed of the Series 10. This enhancement ensures minimal downtime, allowing users to quickly recharge their devices and continue their daily routines without significant interruptions. Then, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is engineered for adventure seekers and professionals, requiring robust features in challenging environments. Building upon its predecessor, the Ultra 2 introduces several key enhancements like the new black titanium case. Aesthetically, the Ultra 2 features a new black titanium case, combining style with durability. This material choice ensures the watch can withstand harsh conditions while maintaining a sleek appearance, appealing to users who demand both form and function. The Ultra 2 boasts the most precise GPS in a sports watch, utilizing advanced satellite connectivity to provide accurate location tracking. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts engaging in activities such as hiking, trail running, or cycling in remote areas where reliable navigation is crucial. Beyond its rugged design, the Ultra 2 incorporates advanced health and safety features, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, and emergency SOS capabilities. These functionalities ensure users can monitor their well-being and access assistance when needed, making the watch a reliable companion in both everyday life and extreme scenarios. When it comes to features and ecosystem integration, both the Series 10 and Ultra 2 run on Apple's latest watchOS, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. They integrate effortlessly with other Apple devices, allowing users to receive notifications, control music playback, and access a wide range of apps directly from their wrists. As the days advance, Apple continues its commitment to environmental sustainability with these models, utilizing recycled materials in their construction and implementing energy-efficient manufacturing processes. Updating Apple's audio lineup. Apple has recently introduced significant updates to its audio lineup, unveiling the AirPods 4, AirPods Pro 2, and refreshed AirPods Max. These advancements highlight Apple's commitment to enhancing user experience through improved design, innovative features, and superior sound quality. Starting with AirPods 4, its fourth generation of AirPods, which showcases notable improvements aimed at providing users with an exceptional listening experience. Apple has refined the design of the AirPods 4, introducing subtle tweaks to the earbud contours and speakers. These changes ensure a more secure and comfortable fit, accommodating a broader range of ear shapes and sizes. This ergonomic enhancement allows users to wear the earbuds for extended periods without discomfort, making them ideal for daily use. Equipped with the H2 chip, the AirPods 4 deliver an enhanced audio experience. This advanced processor improves sound quality, offering richer bass and clearer treble. The H2 chip also facilitates seamless device switching and improved voice isolation during calls, ensuring that users enjoy high-quality audio across various applications. A standout feature of the AirPods 4 is the introduction of active noise cancellation in an open-ear design, a first for Apple. Despite the lack of in-ear tips, the ANC effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing users to immerse themselves in their music or podcasts without external interruptions. This innovation caters to individuals who prefer an open-fit earbud, but still desire the benefits of noise cancellation. The AirPods 4 come with a 10% smaller charging case that supports USB-C charging. The case can recharge the earbuds up to 5 times, providing a total playback time ranging from 20 to 30 hours depending on usage. This improvement ensures that users have ample battery life to support their daily activities without frequent charging interruptions. For AirPods Pro 2, which signifies the second generation of AirPods Pro, it elevates the concept of personal audio devices by integrating advanced hearing health features. With the release of iOS 18.2, the AirPods Pro 2 have transformed into a comprehensive hearing health tool. Users can now conduct hearing tests directly through their devices, generating audiograms that tailor the audio output to their specific hearing profiles. This personalized approach enhances the listening experience and addresses individual hearing needs. Beyond testing, the AirPods Pro 2 offer features that assist users with mild to moderate hearing loss. Functions such as sound recognition, conversation boost, live listen, and loud sound reduction enhance environmental awareness and communication. While not a replacement for traditional hearing aids, these features provide substantial support for users seeking to improve their hearing experience. The AirPods Pro 2 continue to offer superior active noise cancellation, allowing users to block out unwanted ambient sounds effectively. Additionally, the transparency mode enables users to stay connected to their surroundings when necessary, providing a balanced and versatile listening experience. Then Apple's over-ear headphones, the AirPods Max, have received updates that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The AirPods Max are now available in a variety of new colors, allowing users to express their personal style. This update adds a fresh and modern touch to the premium headphones, appealing to a broader audience. Addressing user feedback, Apple has updated the AirPods Max to include USB-C fast charging capabilities. This enhancement ensures quicker charging times, allowing users to enjoy extended listening periods with minimal downtime. The AirPods Max continue to deliver exceptional sound quality, featuring high-fidelity audio, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio support. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.